channel. I heard last night at the mini get-together for the Cittadella boys that the guy that killed the cyclist with the truck and he went flying over the Armco, he turned up at the cops. It was some dairy farmer. See, I'm now in that middle ground section. It's up to 1800 or nearly 1800 meters. The traditional viewing spot. Roberto, chi è quello paese sotto là?
Solagna.
Solagna, that's Solagna.
Valsugana.
Valsugana. Wow, what a view.
Aspetta che ti faccio una foto.
He's taking my photo. To buy a bottle of water for €1 because the water from the tap was supposedly non-potable, non-drinkable. Unbelievable. 13 k's to go. I'm just over the 1,000 meter mark. Lovely sunny day, right? Sunny morning, but the air has a chill to it. You gotta watch that. Yeah, I remember this section. So far so good with the back, not too bad. Yeah, I wonder what they're doing. Look at that. Hey Frank, nothing like Gamaraka, right? No way. As we know, actually you see that dugout there? It's a World War I dugout. There's a lot of tunnels and things in the mountain up the top. You'll get to see the santuario, another set up there. Hopefully we'll find the lookout. I think you can see into Austria. Nah, only kidding. You can see into the Dolomites, but there's incredible view. Beautiful morning sunshine. Is Ponte San Lorenzo, Osteria from 1939. Yeah. Bit of activity up ahead. Water. There's Roberto. Roberto's there. and che c'è?
Rifornimento se vuoi mangiare quello che puoi.
Può darsi un poco di arance.
Vai.
Ok. Tieni.
Questa è una mitica questa.
It's I'm assuming I'm recording, didn't hear it, but
Questa è la vera ramata della vigna.
it's an old Willia, a 1980s model, and they're giving us oranges and bananas and bits of cake. Pity I bought that bottle of water just down the road, but donkeys. Well, we hope the road's closed. Buongiorno. There it is, 5 k's, just under to go. Plod along. Go! There's the top summit. Oh, my legs. Constant grind. 30 k's, 29.